Hello friend, welcome to Phone Rating YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Realme Note 60 mobile full review specification and price. So let's start my video. Price 11,999 taka. Brand Realme. Category smartphones. Added on 13 August 2024. Last update 18 September 2024. Release 2024 August 13. OS Android 14 Realme UI 5.0. Display 6.74 720x 1600 pixels. Camera 32 megapixel 1080p. RAM 4 8 GB RAM Unisoc Tiger T612. Battery 5000 mAh 10W. Or rating. The overall rating is based on review by our experts. Design 10/7, connectivity 10/6, display 10/5, features 10/7, performance 10/2, battery 10/10, camera 10/2, usability 10/9. Pro and cons. Pros 6.74 inches IPS LCD panel, 90Hz refresh. Android 14 with 64, 128, 256 GB ROM, 32 megapixel rear camera with luxury lens, side mounted fingerprint sensor, 5000 mAh battery capacity. Cons: no 5G network, Unisoc Tiger T612 chipset, 5 megapixel selfie camera, 10W charging only. Specification. Prices. Official 4GB 64GB 11,999 taka. 4GB 128GB 12,999 taka. Global price $90. Launch announced 2024 August 30. Status available release 2024 August 30. Network technology GSM HSPA LTE. 2G bands GSM 850 900 1800 1900 SIM 1 and SIM 2. 3G bands HSGPF 850 900 2100. 4G bands LTE speed HSPA LTE. Body dimensions 167.7.3x 76.7x 7.8 mm 6.59x 3.02 x 0.31 in. Weight 187 g 6.60 oz. Build glass front, plastic frame, plastic back. SIM dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. IP64 dust and display resistant. Others die cast aluminium classic. Display type IPS LCD 90Hz 450 nits, type 560 nits HBM. Size 6.74 inches 109.7 cm2. 85.5% screen to body radio. Resolution 720x 1600 pixels 20.9 radio 260 ppi density. Protection reinforced glass. Platform OS Android 14 Realme UI 5.0. Chipset Unisoc Tiger T612 12nm. CPU octa-core 2x 1.8 GHz codex A75 and 6x 1.8 GHz codex A55. GPU Mali G57. Memory card slot micro SD XE dedicated slot. Internal 64 128 256 GB RAM 468 GB. Variant 4GB 64 GB 6GB 128 GB 8GB 256 GB. Main camera dual 32 megapixel f1.8 wide PDAF luxurious lens. Feature LED flash HDR panorama. Video 1080p at the rate 30 fps. Selfie camera single 5 megapixel wide video yes. Sound loudspeaker yes 3.5 mm jack yes. Connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 APG-NSC dual band. Bluetooth 5.082 DPLE. GPS GLONASS Galileo GLONASS BDS. NFC no. FM radio unspecified. USB Type-C 2.0 OTG. Infrared port no. Features sensor fingerprint side mounted accelerometer proximity campus. Battery type non-removable LiPo. Capacity 5000 mAh. Charging 10W wide. More made by China. Color Voyage blue marble black. Realme Note 60 Price in Bangladesh November 2024. The Realme Note 60 is now available in three variants: 64, 128, 256 GB, 4 GB 6, 8 GB RAM. Now the Realme Note 60 price is 11,999 taka in Bangladesh. The Note 60 has a 5000 mAh battery with 10W fast charging. With device runs Android 14 and is powered by a Unisoc Tiger T612 12nm chipset. Model Realme Note 60. Price BTT 11,999 taka. Display 6.74 720 x 1600 pixels. RAM 468 GB. ROM 64 128 256 GB. Release 2024 August. Realme Note 60 highlight. Realme Note 60 will be launched in August 2024. The Note 60 launched with the model number unknown. Firstly, its dimensional measure is 167.3 x 76.7 x 7.8 mm and its weight is 187 grams. Secondly, the display of Note 60 is a 6.74 inch IPS LCD panel with 720 x 1600 pixel resolution. The display is protected from the unknown. Thirdly, and most importantly, it is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T612 12nm and runs with Android 14. Moreover, it has an octa-core 2x 1.8 GHz Cortex A75 and 6x 1.8 GHz Cortex A655 CPU. The Realme Note 60 phone has a dual camera setup on the back. This formation consists of a 32 megapixel wide luxury lens camera. It has a 5 megapixel selfie camera inside the notch of the display. The video recording capability is 1080p at the 30 fps. According to its RAM and ROM, it has 3, 4, 6, 8 GB, 64, 128 to 56 GB variants. On the other hand, it can support up to micro SD access using a dedicated slot. Currently, the Note 60 has a 5000 mAh battery with 10W fast charging. It has a dual nano SIM card slot. That is to say, Note 60 is 2G, 3G, 4G supportable. The fingerprint sensor is side mounted. On the other hand, there is VLAN, Bluetooth and USB port among the other features. Your question and your opinion about Note 60. Which question you will have about this phone? Let's justify this. There we are including the major questions and answers about this phone. So let's start now. When it will be released? It will launch in August 2024. What is the price of the Realme Note 60? The price of the Realme Note 60 is BDT 11,999 taka. How much RAM and ROM does it contain? It has three variants of 4, 6, 8 GB in RAM and three variants of 64, 128 to 56 GB in ROM. But overall, you can get three variants: 64 GB, 4 GB, 128 GB, 6 GB to 56 GB, 8 GB in the market. Which type of display panel is used in? It has a 6.74 IPS LCD display panel with 720 x 1600 pixel resolution. How are the processor and chipset? It contains a Unisoc Tiger T612 12nm chipset. What are the camera and video capability? The dual camera setup on the back is a 32 megapixel plus luxury lens and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The video recording capability is 1080p at the 30 fps. Does it support a 5G network? No, it supports a 4G network with 2G, 3G. What is the battery capacity? The battery capacity is a 5000 mAh live polymer battery with 10W fast charging. What sensor does this phone have? Fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, campus sensor. Which country and company manufactured it? Realme manufactured it and this company is made in China. Buy two reasons. In this paragraph, we are going to describe the important measure to buy this phone. Why did a person buy this smartphone? Firstly, when anyone wants to buy a device, they find out the premium things on the device according to their price. So let us find out the out some eligible things that are is not 60. Our verdict. In conclusion, we are giving our verdict on this device. If you want to buy the best 4G smartphone under 15k taka, then Realme Note 60 will be in the first row among the best smartphone. Dear friend, if you are attracted to online games like Free Fire, PUBG Mobile and so on, you can buy them because it has RAM and a well processor using the Unisoc Tiger T612 12mm chipset. If you want a great backup on charge, then you can buy this because it has a huge 5000 mAh battery. In addition, it's a 4G supportable smartphone, so you can get good network facilities on it. However, it has a dual camera setup with a 32 megapixel primary camera, so it's the image and video capability may be well. Therefore, to judge all of these reasons, you can buy this. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर। तब तक के लिए बाय।